Hey, what's up, folks? Mike, Netago. You know this already, right? So, a couple folks have reached out to me and asked, Mike, well, what do I do if my comb has already started to, dry out and the teeth are starting to get crooked? How do I fix that? Well, the answer is simple. Use some good old currency. So, what I recommend is you take a couple pennies, nickels, dimes, whatever you got, and you stuff them in between the crooked tooth or the two crooked teeth. But you want to do it to the point. So see right here, it's like perfectly straight. You want to overdo it. Right? So it looks like the other teeth are getting crooked. And then you do the same thing for the other one. So you see these ones here, same deal. Then you just leave this for a couple of days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end this video here and I'm gonna come back to this in like 2 or 3 days and we'll see whether or not it looks better like this. All right, so it's been a couple of days and we're getting ready to take a look and see. So I'll take out some of the coins here. Start with this one. And that right there. All right, so it was very non-anticlimactic, but as you can see, the teeth are a bit straighter than they were before. Now, the issue, of course, is going to be, if you all can see that, yeah, let me adjust this, hold up. Right here, these teeth are going to be warped. There's really no way around repositioning these teeth. I mean, I guess if you want to put on a press or something, you can give that a shot. I've never tried that. I've done the penny method a couple times before to try and help out a bit. But all this is extra work for you if you don't get the comb out. Because it's nice. Yeah, because it warps. It just warps from a lack of moisture, and that's what happens. So you need to make sure you take care of your comb. Because like I said, look at this. This is now the teeth being like angled and side to side won't really disrupt any of your combing. It doesn't cause any issues. The main thing was just the gapping between the teeth, and this has definitely improved the gapping between the teeth. But it is no replacement for just making sure everything's well taken care of from the get-go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put these back in, leave them for a couple more days, and yeah, I'll use this comb in one of my later videos. But for you all out there, if this is what has happened to your comb, you can give this method a shot. Just know it is not it's not a replacement for proper comb care. It's just not a replacement. It's more of a crutch, honestly. Put it right here this time. These teeth are looking a little crooked. But yeah, so any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. See ya.